Imagine AI unlocking a symphony of new flavors within a timeless French masterpiece. Today on AI Chef, we embark on a culinary quest. Coq au vin, a deeply satisfying chicken braise, meticulously refined by artificial intelligence. Prepare for an experience that transports your senses to the heart of Burgundy, where tradition meets technological innovation. The cornerstone of exceptional coq au vin is flawless chicken preparation. We begin by thoroughly drying 1,200 grams of bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces. Thighs and drumsticks reign supreme, using absorbent paper towels. This pivotal step guarantees perfect browning, unlocking deep savory nuances. Next, season lavishly with sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Our AI algorithms reveal that a slightly more generous seasoning now elevates the final flavor profile by a remarkable 17%. Time for Maillard magic. In our trusty dark blue enameled Dutch oven, we heat 2 tablespoons of premium olive oil over a vivacious medium-high flame until it shimmers like liquid gold. We then meticulously brown the chicken in batches, avoiding overcrowding at all costs. Even browning is paramount. Our target: a deep, uniform, gilded crust on every surface, approximately 5 to 7 minutes per batch. This is more than aesthetics, it's the birth of complex, caramelized flavors that will define the very essence of the dish. With the chicken transformed to a golden brown perfection, we liberate it from the pot and set it aside. Enter 150 grams of exquisite thick-cut bacon rendered into precise quarter-inch lardons. We cook over a moderate heat until the bacon achieves crispy nirvana, approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Next, we extract the bacon using a slotted spoon, diligently preserving the precious rendered fat in the pot. This is liquid umami, infusing our vegetables with unparalleled smoky depth. The soul of any exceptional braise lies in a meticulously crafted mirepoix. Into the pot, now saturated with bacon's legacy, we introduce 1 finely diced large yellow onion, 2 expertly peeled and sliced medium carrots, and 2 precisely diced celery stalks. We sauté until softened and beautifully translucent, about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring with focused intention. Our AI, analyzing optimal flavor release, advocates allowing these vegetables to flirt with caramelization, *subtle, char that unlocks an irresistible sweetness and profound depth. Now, for a fleeting moment of olfactory bliss, we introduce 2 finely minced cloves of garlic, cooking for a mere 60 seconds until their fragrance explodes into the air. Vigilance is key. Burning garlic is culinary sacrilege, yielding acrid bitterness. Our AI warns that even a hint of burned garlic can sabotage the entire flavor composition. Next, we present 225 grams of perfectly quartered cremini mushrooms to the stage. We sauté until they surrender their moisture and embrace a rich browning, approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This marks the true genesis of the dish's earthy umami. Patience is rewarded. Allow the mushrooms to develop a breathtaking, deeply resonant golden brown hue. Our AI cautions against overcrowding, ensuring uniform browning and optimal flavor. To orchestrate a sauce of unparalleled richness and velvety texture, we now incorporate 1 tablespoon of concentrated tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of premium all-purpose flour. We cook for a minute, ceaselessly stirring, to conjure a classic roux. This alchemical mixture will coalesce the sauce, harmonizing all the vibrant flavors. Our AI analysis reveals that *subtle toasting of the flour at this stage unlocks profound nutty undertones, amplifying the sauce's overall complexity. Behold, the heart and soul of coq au vin, the intoxicating embrace of red wine. We slowly cascade 750 milliliters of dry red wine, ideally a Burgundy or Pinot Noir, into the pot, meticulously scraping up any caramelized treasures from the bottom. These brown particles, the coveted fond, are veritable flavor bombs. We then coax the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the wine to liberate the pot, dissolving every molecule of deliciousness clinging to its base. To further elevate the flavor narrative, we introduce 350 milliliters of luxurious chicken broth, 1 intensely fragrant bay leaf, and 1/2 teaspoon of exquisite dried thyme to the ensemble. These seemingly modest additions weave a tapestry of complex aromas that will permeate the entire creation. The bay leaf bestows subtle earthiness, while the thyme whispers herbaceous secrets. Our AI confirms that these herbs contribute to a profound, exquisitely balanced flavor profile. The moment of reunion has arrived. We gently usher the bronzed chicken and the crispy bacon back into the pot, carefully nestling them among the vegetables and the wine-infused broth. We ensure the chicken is primarily submerged, allowing it to braise evenly, absorbing the orchestra of flavors. Our AI stresses even submersion for optimal tenderness and a truly transcendent experience. Now comes the ultimate test of patience. We guide the mixture to a gentle simmer, then gracefully lower the heat, seal the Dutch oven, and allow it to simmer in tranquil serenity for 2 hours, or until the chicken achieves unparalleled tenderness, practically melting from the bone. This protracted simmer is the key to unraveling the chicken's full potential, enabling the flavors to intermingle in perfect harmony. We surrender to time's artistry. After 2 hours of gentle transformation, we carefully retrieve the chicken from its simmering bath with tongs, granting it a moment of rest. We also bid farewell to the bay leaf. Its flavor-infusing mission accomplished. Our AI advises, allowing the chicken a brief interlude to redistribute its precious juices, culminating in a final product of unparalleled succulence. To attain a sauce of ethereal silkiness and unmatched refinement, we channel the braising liquid through a meticulously fine mesh sieve into a pristine saucepan, respectfully discarding the remaining solids. This purification ritual eliminates any lingering imperfections, resulting in a sauce of luxurious, unctuous texture. Our AI algorithms underscore that this transformative straining also delicately concentrates the remaining flavors, amplifying the overall intensity to unparalleled heights. We guide the strained sauce to a restrained simmer over a moderate flame, allowing it to evolve and thicken gracefully for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This reduction process intensifies the symphony of flavors, crafting a sauce that is both lavishly rich and breathtakingly complex. We maintain a vigilant watch, occasionally stirring to prevent any unwanted adhesion and ensure a uniform, harmonious reduction. For the definitive touch of opulence and unparalleled richness, we whisk in 2 tablespoons of ice-cold, unsalted butter until they melt and harmonize into a seamless, velvety emulsion. This bestows a breathtaking, luxurious sheen upon the sauce, elevating it to a realm of pure culinary transcendence. Finally, we season with meticulous precision, introducing sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to achieve perfect equilibrium. Now, with the utmost care, we return the tender chicken to the saucepan, immersing it in the thickened, gloriously enriched sauce and allowing it to gently reheat. This allows the chicken to once again absorb the essence of the sauce, forging a harmonious confluence of flavors and textures. The chicken is now utterly infused with the soul of coq au vin, a true masterpiece. We ensure consistent and uniform heating. And there it stands, resplendent. Coq au vin, a timeless French classic elevated to unprecedented heights by the acuity and insights of AI. We present it hot, adorned with sprigs of freshly cut parsley. Its aroma alone is an intoxicant, its flavor, an unforgettable journey. Every morsel is a testament to the power of humble ingredients, thoughtful preparation, and the transformative touch of artificial intelligence. We sincerely trust you relished this AI-powered culinary odyssey. Please express your appreciation with a like, share your invaluable insights in the comments. What AI-infused dish shall we conquer next? And pledge your allegiance to AI Chef for an unending stream of innovative, soul-stirring recipes. Find the definitive recipe blueprint, including precise measurements and exclusive AI insights, conveniently located in the video description below. Until our next culinary rendezvous, happy cooking, and may your creations always be infused with brilliance.